Welcome to the AlmighTees channel. I'm Gary, a 37-year industry veteran. In this week's episode, I'm going to show you how I printed a 3-color design using only 2 screens. But first, would you consider subscribing to the channel? And if you do, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever we upload new content. So sit back in your chair, get comfortable. We're going to talk about all that and more next. Okay, so here I am at the laptop. Here is the design in question, a simple 3-color logo. You've got some lemon yellow here. You've got mono blue in the middle and over the top, and then you've got some flow magenta over on this side. So I'm going to take you through how I normally would separate a job like this using the layers palette in Illustrator. First off, I would start off by isolating my royal onto a screen. I would then create a yellow on a screen and then also on pink on another screen. And then it hit me and I thought, wait, the pink and the yellow are far enough apart that what if I was to print them onto the same film, burn it as the same screen, and then just separate those colors using smaller squeegees on press. That is what I did. So let's go see what that looks like. Let's go out into the shop and see what it looks like out on press. Before we can see what it looks like out on press, we need a screen first. So I'm going to go ahead and burn the screen that we will need to put the 2 different colors in. As a matter of fact, this idea was originally suggested to us by our friend Scotland Skysurf. So here's to him and his recommendation. So after exposing the screen, I'm going to take the screen off the exposure unit and take it into the washout area, into the washout booth, wet the screen. I'm going to give it a few minutes for the emulsion, the unexposed emulsion, to soften, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to really spray and wash the screen out. After I'm satisfied, I squeegee all the excess water away. Let it sit there for a second, just to drip. As you can see, the flow magenta is going to be on the left side, the lemon yellow on the right, depending on how you're looking at it. Now we are out on press. So I'm going to take my shirt, I'm going to load it onto my platen. I'm going to start off with my lemon yellow. Now, as you can see, I took a piece of cardboard and I taped it in between the 2 colors. That's just to help keep the ink separated inside the screen so I wouldn't make a mess. Each ink color's print area was so far apart that I was able to print them wet on wet, flash them together, and then print the blue, and then I'm done. And that's it. 3 colors, 2 screens. We hope you found this tutorial video useful and informative. Would you give it a like or even share it with someone you think might find it helpful? If you have any questions or new video ideas, drop those in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.